Everyone, this is Aaron with Aaron's Eccentric Garage, and if you've been following me on my social media pages like Instagram or Facebook, you'll know that I actually picked up a new project car. This is my new, to me, 2006 Mazdaspeed6. Now, for those of you who are familiar with the Mazdaspeed6, you'll know that finding one in decent shape is very, very rare. Most of these were beat to hell and gone. But for those of you who are not familiar with the Mazdaspeed6, so in the United States, this was made from 2006 and 2007, so only 2 years. And what Mazda did was they took the turbocharged 2.3 liter four-cylinder that's in the Mazdaspeed3, and then they added all-wheel drive and put it into the Mazda6 sedan. So there's not a ton of them here, but you can see, sorry. One of the first things I'm doing is I'm actually working on getting the paint back into shape. It needs a whole lot of other things as well, and it's a laundry list, so I'm going to be documenting that just a little bit here, a little bit there, mostly on Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube. So keep following. So kind of show you an idea working on. So got polishing compound. First of all, I did a clay bar. And I also cleaned it, did some iron and tar, all those fun removers. So this is what the paint, you can kind of see what it looks like. But what that hasn't been, this is just a polishing compound versus what it looks like now. So it's a little dull, a lot better. So the roof of the car is far worse. It's, you can kind of see, it's almost satiny. Yeah. So is that I got a lot of work ahead of me. So the plan is to polish this out, do all the paint correction. After I do the compound, then I'm gonna do a polish, then I'm gonna do a wax. Then hopefully for Christmas, Santa Claus is gonna bring me some ceramic coating so I can get this car looking amazing. But mechanically speaking, there's a few things that we're gonna jump into. Thankfully, the engine itself is good, but yeah, thanks for joining and stay tuned for more adventures with my new project car, the Mazdaspeed6.